Okay, so if you also wake up and feel sore, lethargic, and unhappy, then this flow is for you. Roll out your mat and start practicing with me. First, inhale, sit in any posture, and take your hands above your head, and with exhale, hands down. It will help you in lengthening your spine. It's always a good idea to lengthen your spine and make it awake and more alive. And now it's time to practice some lateral stretches. These side stretches are good to make you feel energetic throughout the day. And it's always a great idea to practice deep twists because it helps in keeping your gut health good, and it also helps in detoxifying and a better digestion. And it's always a great idea to practice forward fold because it helps in de-stressing you and takes out all the stress from your spine. And now time comes for my favorite asana, Majuriyasana, cat and cow pose. It's always a great idea to practice flexion and extension for your spine, a healthy body, a healthy mind, and a healthy day. So have a great day ahead. Bye bye.